In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a restaurant on TripAdvisor. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you know exactly what to expect and how to get your listing right the first time. You'll just need a computer or mobile device with a web browser and a stable internet connection. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the TripAdvisor website. You can access it from any modern browser. If you're prompted to sign in or create an account during the process, follow the on-screen instructions. Some submission features may require you to be logged in. Once you're on the home page, you're ready to begin. Next, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. The link you need is typically located in the footer. Take your time here, because the footer can have several sections. You're looking for the option that says Add a Place. This is TripAdvisor's gateway for suggesting new listings to their platform. Click Add a Place. This opens a submission form where you'll be able to provide all the information TripAdvisor needs to evaluate your suggestion. On this page, you'll be asked to choose the type of place you're adding. Select Restaurant as the place type. Choosing the correct category is important because it determines how the listing appears in searches and filters. If the business serves food and operates as a restaurant or similar food venue, this is the right choice. Selecting the right category helps reviewers process your submission more smoothly and ensures future guests find it under the right section. Now, enter the restaurant name, address, and details. Use the official name as it appears on signage and keep the formatting consistent. For the address, include the full street address, city, and region, and make sure the map pin, if shown, lands on the correct spot. Accuracy here reduces delays and prevents duplicate listings. In the details area, provide straightforward, factual information about the restaurant. Things like the type of cuisine, a brief description, and opening hours if requested. Keep it clear and objective. Avoid promotional language. Double-check spelling and ensure the information matches what's used publicly so visitors won't get confused. When everything looks good, submit the form for review. Before you click Submit, take a final moment to confirm that all fields are complete and accurate. After submission, TripAdvisor's team will review the information. This can take some time, depending on volume. You may receive a notification if they need more details or once the listing is approved. That's it. Your part is done. With a careful, accurate submission, you'll help diners discover the restaurant more easily on TripAdvisor.